Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do this green and purple halo eyes. I'm starting off with lemongrass toning face mist. I'm doing my skincare as usual, first toning my face and rubbing it in. Moving on, I'm going to moisturize with this saffron good vibes cream. This is a really nice moisturizing cream. I have been using it for quite some time now. Moving on, I'm going to go in with a concealer. This is the Nickak concealer. Personally, not a very big fan of these concealers, but in real life it looks pretty nice. I'm going to use this concealer as the base for my eyeshadow. Also, I'm going to conceal all the spots and marks on my face. I'm going with a very precise brush to do this. I decided today to go all out, so I'm making sure that each and every spot on my face is concealed nicely. Next up is my eyebrows. I'm going to use this Nickak eyebrows. For the past two videos, I've been calling this as Wet n Wild eyebrows, but correction, this is a Nickak eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. I have recently shaded my eyebrows, so they were well shaped, so I'm just going in with my natural eyebrows. Setting it with this Brow Obsessed from Palladio. If you have already seen my Blue Heaven review, you know that this foundation is very orange on my skin, so I decided to go in with a lighter foundation and mix it in. And today I'm going to show you how it looks with mixed up foundations. I'm using the sponge from the same Blue Heaven haul. I'm going to link it down below if you haven't seen it already. I'm blending it with this sponge. The sponge is really soft and nice. It blends away the product very easily. As you can see, the Loreal foundation is very high on coverage and the balance of color is happening because of the Blue Heaven foundation. Moving on with my contour, I'm using this Nickak HD concealer again. The shades of these concealers and all the foundation and everything will be mentioned down in the description box, so don't forget to check that. Again, using the same sponge to apply the contour. Concealer is pretty difficult to blend in, so I'm taking forever to blend this in. Now I'm going to powder my face again using the Blue Heaven Sapphire from my last haul of Blue Heaven. This powder gives a very blurred out effect to the skin and it makes the makeup last even longer. So right now this powder is on my go-to list. Making sure the creases on my eyelids are gone. Also baking below my contours and under my eyes with the same powder. I'm baking so that any glitter or any fallout from the eyeshadow is caught on that and it does not spoil my base. Starting with my eyes, I forgot to show the palette over here. I'm moving on with this brown color. Applying it onto the outer 1/3 and the inner 1/3 of my eyes. And then connecting it in and blending it away. You can go back and forth to achieve the pigmentation you like. I have done the same over here. I'm going to apply concealer to the middle area that I had left using the same Nickak concealer. Going in with this green color from the same palette. Being very precise because I'm going to go in with a shimmer. Taking this shimmer shade from the same palette, it has got hues of green to it. I'm using a sponge applicator to apply the glitter. Removing of the bake and moving to my lower lash line, I'm going to use this red color from the same palette and apply it with a pencil brush. And then I'm going to tightline my eyes with this purple eyeliner pencil. It's from the brand ALS. I'm going to blush my face with the brown tones from this palette of Sivanna. Also, I'm going to use the same palette to highlight my face. Lastly, I'm going to apply this lipstick from Nykaa. It is from their Demi Matte range. It's in the shade Basic. Finishing off the makeup with the Wet n Wild setting spray. And that's it for the final look. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye. Take care.